Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. This is Goma is in Ormoc City. I've been reading your comments, and a lot of people have been asking for me to cook pasta, to cook meat, to cook tenderloin. So today, what we're going to do is that we're going to cook lemon garlic pasta with tenderloin tips, Dalawa yung gagawin natin. Usually, tayo mga Pinoy, sanay tayo na dalawa yung nilalagay natin sa plates. We put rice tsaka ulam. But like in other countries, in other cultures, like for example, mga Italians, when they prepare pasta, it's just all pasta lang, one lang. Pero tayo ng mga Pinoy, gusto natin dalawa or mas marami pa. May kanin, may ulam, meron pang sabaw kung sometimes, So today, eto, gagawin natin yung pasta natin. So what we'll do is we'll cook pasta, and then we'll put lots of salt in our boiling water. Let's make it as salty as the sea. And then we'll cook our pasta here. We'll put it there. Okay, let's separate it. And make sure na hindi siya nagdidikit. Once it's set in water, it should be good. In the meantime, what we'll do is prepare our ingredients, basic ingredients for lemon garlic pasta. All you need are just chili, garlic, and your lemon. So we'll begin with cutting our chili. We don't need a lot of chili, konti lang. Ito lang, there. Isa lang. There. And then, get garlic. Dun. And then, we'll cut our garlic. Let's make it a bit thick. There you go. We'll heat our skillet. Okay. But before doing that, let me just wash my hands kasi humawak ako ng chili. Always wash your hands para clean, tas walang chili, just in case you rub your eyes, hindi siya masakit sa mata. Okay, now we'll put in our Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Okay, let's put a good amount of olive oil. There you go. And then we'll put in our garlic and our chili. Oh, there you go. We'll check on our pasta, how it's coming along. Lapit na to. We're going to cook our chili just to infuse the flavors of garlic and chili into our oil. So dapat hindi rin naman masunog yung garlic natin. So once medyo kumukulo na siya, bumubulan, so you can really smell the aroma. How nice. Bango. Give it about a minute or so. Ayan. Active yung mga manok natin ngayon. Oh, active na active. So now, kunin natin yung pasta natin. Lagyan natin dito. There you go. Ooh. Some water. Yeah. And then we'll allow the pasta to cook more, to continuously cook dito sa skillet natin. Okay. And then later, right after cooking this, lulutuin natin kagad yung tenderloin tips natin, because the tenderloin tips, they cook so fast, so walang problema yun. So while we're cooking this, we will make we'll put in some cheese already here. And so with this, ito na yung magiging sauce, Yan, Put some Parmesan cheese there. There. Okay. There you go. And a little bit of butter. And that will be now the sauce for our pasta. So you can see, it's turning to be very creamy. Beautiful. Oh, see that? See how creamy it is? That's because of the cheese and the butter. So this pasta already done. We can already plate this. Okay, and we'll put some parsley. Yeah. Okay. So we got the lemon here. Let's Squeeze it a little. And para mas madali siyang i-juice. Okay. And then just put some lemon juice, not so much. Good, very good. And then zest of lemon. So refreshing pag kinain mo. Oh, how nice. We're ready to plate this. Let's get a plate, and then we'll cook our tenderloin. Put it on the side. Yeah. Yeah. Put the sauce on top. We're going to hit a skillet. The next thing that we'll prepare now is the tenderloin tips. Get a good piece of meat, and then cut them into chunks, the big pieces. Yeah. This big is good. One more. Okay. Then we take this out. Wash your hands. And then we'll use, this time, we'll use Doña Elena pure olive oil. Okay, set up a skillet. And then we'll marinate this with some soy sauce, just a little. And then we'll put some garlic. The garlic, isasama na natin sa marinade natin. Okay, there you go. With this, we'll put some rosemary. Okay. It's got a sprig of fresh rosemary. And then, we'll cut it up into small pieces. Yan. Ito ngayon, isasagol na ito dahil sa meat na to. So with this, it's going to be very flavorful and so aromatic. There you go. And mix it. There you go. And then put it in our hot skillet. Okay? Skillet's hot? Yeah, it's hot. Yun. Has to be very hot. This will really cook very fast kasi high heat siya. Just turn it over. There you go. No need for salt. And then we'll put some pepper while we're cooking it. We'll grind some pepper. So you want your meat to be medium rare, you know. In about 30 seconds, it should be done. Look at that searing. Ganda, oh. So we're done with this. What we'll do, turn off our skillet. And then a lot of people are asking, nililinisan mo ba yung chopping board mo? Yeah, this is what I use. This mixture is alcohol and orange rind mixture fermented for about 2 weeks. No, so this is what sanitizes our. I use for sanitizing our chopping board. So just like that, leave for a few seconds, and then you're ready to use it again. So now we have our pasta. Let's fix our pasta here, there, and then we'll put in our meat. There you go. Let's get a sprig of rosemary. Put it here. There you go. We'll put some Parmesan cheese on top of our pasta. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Lemon garlic pasta with tenderloin tips. So now we'll try this. Let's try pasta. Sarap. Kan lami ay. Kini kinakalami sa tanan. One more. You know the lemon and the lemon zest, plus the creaminess of the butter and little parmesan. It's so simple. The ingredients are so basic and simple. The pasta is so good. Wow. As in, mapapawaw ka sa sarap. Let's try our tenderloin tips. See, it's cooked medium rare. Again, very basic and simple ingredients: pepper, garlic, and then rosemary and cooked in olive oil. The meat is so soft and succulent. Sarap. Come on. Pag masarap, talaga napapadoble yung kain eh. Really good. So there you go. Lemon garlic pasta with tenderloin tips. Very basic ingredients, but the taste, it's so good. The food is so good. Thank you so much for joining me here in Goma at Home. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel page and press on the notification bell para alam nyo pag meron tayong bagong video na lumalabas. And usually, I bring it out on weekends. So, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your time. Bye.